Microsoft is adding new features, especially in terms of AI and generative AI, into its Microsoft Office products. One cool new feature is about transcription. If you want to transcribe something in Microsoft Word, then go to Word.New in your browser. Then, as you can see on your screen, click on Home button, and then on the right hand side, click on Start Recording. Once you click here in the microphone section on the drop down and click Start Recording. And now it is asking me if it can access my microphone. Allow it. If the pop-up appears, once that's done, then keep speaking and it will be recording whatever you are saying here. And once that's done, click on Save and Transcribe now. Now it is saving and transcribing, and whatever we have said, it is going to generate an audio file which um, you can use later. So I hope that this was useful. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section.